best practices and important tips for YouTube automation success. We're going to share a number of important tips and best practices to help accelerate your YouTube success. This is the result of many years of experience and countless costly mistakes. By learning from our journey, you can avoid these pitfalls and fast-track your own success on YouTube. Start your YouTube channel as soon as possible. The best way to learn is to actually start making videos and uploading them. Launch your channel today and improve as you go. Don't overthink it. Do not take about a month just to finalize your niche. This is a mistake that many new YouTubers make. Start now. Content is king. Consistency and quality content is the key to success. Make sure your video provides value to your audience. Even if you start a comedy channel, it still needs to provide value to its viewers to be successful. Viewers come first. Create content that they want to watch, not just what you want to produce. Understanding and catering to your audience's interests and preferences is key to building a successful channel and maintaining engagement. Consistency is key to success. Aim to upload one quality video weekly, or 1 to 2 videos per week, focusing on quality and impactful content. Whether you decide to post every 3 days, every day, or every Sunday, it's essential to commit to a consistent schedule and stick to it, no matter what. You have to follow that schedule religiously. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistent uploads. The key difference between successful and unsuccessful YouTubers is often consistency and patience. Successful YouTubers continue to create and refine their content over time, staying committed to their goals despite challenges. In contrast, unsuccessful YouTubers give up too soon when they don't see immediate results. Remember your favorite TV series like Game of Thrones? You knew exactly when it would air each week and eagerly anticipated the next episode. It's the same with your YouTube audience. They rely on a consistent schedule and look forward to your content, so stick to it just like a TV show. Avoid irregular uploads. Don't upload a video after 4 days, then another after 1 week, and the next after 15 days. This inconsistency can confuse your audience and affect your channel's growth. Always follow the schedule you've set. If your plan is to upload 1 video per week, that means 4 videos in a month. Don't try to make up for missed uploads by posting all 4 videos at the end of the month. Consistent uploading is crucial for building a loyal audience and staying in tune with YouTube's algorithm. The YouTube algorithm does not reward inconsistent uploads. In fact, it will penalize your channel. Your YouTube channel is a business, and businesses grow with time through processes and systems. Do not treat YouTube as a hobby. YouTube is a long-term business, so treat it as such. Plan strategically and act with a long-term perspective to ensure sustained growth and success. To stay focused and avoid going over all the place, always start by crafting a compelling title for your video. Once the title is set, write your script to align with it. This approach helps you maintain a clear direction and ensures that your content remains centered on your niche. Be clear and concise in your videos. Don't overstretch the videos and do not shorten it so much that you miss the main points. In order to be concise, be mindful of information overload. Avoid processing too much information from various sources at once. Focus on key insights and practical advice to prevent feeling overwhelmed and ensure you stay on track. The first 10 seconds of your video are crucial, as viewers will decide whether to continue watching or move on. Use a strong hook to grab their attention immediately and entice them to stay for the entire video. At the beginning, do not automate all the elements like script writing, voiceover, thumbnail picture, etc. You have to make the initial videos yourself. This is not only to understand the process, but to set the tone and direction of the videos. Once you have perfected the video creation process, you can easily delegate it by outsourcing. Fiverr and Upwork are not the only places to find freelancers. Join YouTube automation groups on Facebook to connect with freelancers. These groups often have members from various countries, such as the Philippines and India, where many freelancers are based. You'll find a wide range of talent and expertise through these communities at much lower rates than those freelancers located in America. All the YouTube channels that are viral today began just like yours, with one video and a commitment to creating more content. They focused on improving with each new video. The key difference between winners and losers is that winners took the first step and kept going. Do not start multiple channels at once. Focus on building one channel and refining your skills. Concentrating your efforts will help you achieve better results and grow more effectively. Strive to make each new video better than the last. Continuously improving your content will keep your audience engaged and help your channel grow. Your first video may not be perfect. By the time you reach your 20th or 50th video, you'll see significant improvement. Keep creating and refining your content, and you'll notice a remarkable difference in quality over time. Avoid following too many experts at once, as it can lead to confusion. Choose one course or mentor and stick with it until the end. Just as you wouldn't follow 4 different gym trainers for losing weight and toning muscles, don't let yourself get distracted by multiple sources of advice. Every expert has their own approach, so select one guide and focus on their methods to avoid losing direction and becoming overwhelmed. Don't worry about views or subscribers in the beginning. If you are starting a new channel, you will have 0 views and 0 subscribers. Just focus on producing high-quality content, consistently aim for uploading 2 videos each week. Be patient and stay dedicated as you continue creating valuable content. Your viewership and subscriber count will grow over time. TubeBuddy conducted a survey revealing that, on average, channels with fewer than 5,000 subscribers have around 152 uploads. This emphasizes the need for consistent content creation to build and grow your audience. In a podcast, Mr. Beast, one of the most popular YouTubers, said that you need to upload 100+ videos before the YouTube algorithm even notices you exist. And how many uploads did you do before you quit? The moral of the story here is that do not complain about your channel unless you have made it more than 152 videos. Good things in life take time. It's the same for YouTube. An overwhelming majority of people trust me. I've been doing this for a while, create just 20 videos, see a few subscribers and views, and then give up on their YouTube journey. Life does not work that way, and neither does YouTube. Success on YouTube, like in life, doesn't happen overnight. It took Usain Bolt, an 8-time Olympic gold medalist, 20 years of training to win gold at the Olympics. Share your content across other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. Since you're just starting out and need viewers, leveraging multiple platforms can help you reach a broader audience. Think of it like this: some people prefer Coke, others like Pepsi, and some go for 7-Up. They're all sodas, but each has a different taste. Similarly, having a presence on various social media platforms allows you to attract diverse viewers and drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. Boosting your channel through YouTube ads can be a useful strategy, especially if you want to accelerate growth or target specific audiences. Therefore, using YouTube ads can be beneficial if used strategically and in conjunction with a solid content strategy. Using Facebook and Instagram ads can also help drive traffic to your YouTube channel and increase visibility, especially when combined with a well-targeted approach and compelling content. There is no such thing as a magic niche. There's no inherently good or bad niche to select from. We covered this in great detail in Chapter 13, Key Considerations for Niche Selection. Whatever niche you select, you need to have a lot of self-interest in it. In other words, you need to be passionate about it. You need to like and love the niche. However, if you do not have any self-interest in the niche, that is a sure-shot recipe for failure. Remember, self-interest or passion in a niche is what keeps you going when the going gets tough. YouTube requires long-term commitment in order to succeed. Passion for your chosen niche is crucial because it fuels your motivation, creativity, and resilience along the way, especially in the start when you're not getting any views despite uploading regularly. Avoid changing your niche after starting your channel. Building an audience requires time, consistency, and quality content within your chosen niche. If you want to explore a new niche, create a separate channel for it. Changing your niche abruptly can confuse both your audience and the YouTube algorithm, potentially harming your channel's performance. For example, if you start with a channel focused on home workout routines and later switch to home cooking, you risk losing your existing audience and negatively impacting your channel's click-through rate and average view duration. This sudden change can further disrupt the algorithm, diminishing your channel's visibility and effectiveness. Consistently sticking to your niche ensures that your time, efforts, and resources are effectively invested in growing your channel. Take inspiration from competitors in your niche, but avoid copying their content directly. Instead, focus on adding unique value and creating original content that reflects your perspective. By offering something distinctive and valuable, you can differentiate yourself and attract a loyal audience. Add value, unique insights, or higher quality to stand out and attract viewers. YouTube is constantly evolving. As of today, it accounts for over 10% of smart TV viewership, surpassing even Netflix in some regions. This highlights the platform's significant presence and growing popularity on television screens, making it essential for content creators to consider how their videos appear on larger displays. If you're constantly worried about failing on YouTube, think of YouTube like playing a video game. I love playing Call of Duty and often end up dead in the missions. We fail many times, but keep retrying until we succeed in the mission. Apply that same mindset to YouTube. Learn from your mistakes, keep refining your approach, and persist through the challenges. Success only comes from continuous effort and resilience. Reading comments and feedback is crucial for improving your content. They provide insights into what your audience likes or dislikes, helping you understand their preferences and expectations. By paying attention to this feedback, you can make informed adjustments to your content strategy, enhance viewer satisfaction, and build a more engaged community. YouTube Shorts are very important for new channels because they offer a quick and effective way to gain visibility and attract viewers. They can help boost your channel's reach and engagement due to their short format and prominent placement on the YouTube platform. Shorts can drive traffic to your main content, grow your subscriber base, and increase overall channel growth by tapping into trends and engaging with a broader audience. A good starting point could be 2 to 3 shorts per video. The thumbnail picture and video title are crucial as they directly impact your click-through rate. A compelling thumbnail grabs viewers' attention and encourages them to click on your video, while a clear, engaging title helps viewers understand what the video is about and attracts their interest. Together, they play a significant role in driving more clicks and increasing the visibility of your content. Avoid buying a pre-monetized channel until you've gained experience by building and scaling your own YouTube channel. It's important to understand the process and challenges of growing a channel yourself. Building a channel from scratch provides valuable insights and skills that will help you manage and scale a pre-monetized channel more effectively. Quality is essential in every aspect of your YouTube journey. Ensure that your audio, video, and thumbnails are top-notch to attract and retain viewers. High-quality visuals and sound enhance viewer experience, while an engaging thumbnail can significantly boost your click-through rate. There is no place for mediocrity in life, or even on YouTube. Avoid including violence, gore, adult content, or graphic material in your videos. The platform is increasingly strict about content safety, and such topics can lead to your channel being flagged, struck, or even closed. Ensure that your content adheres to community guidelines and maintains a safe, respectful environment for viewers. Avoid simply re-uploading or repurposing other people's content. Downloading a video, editing it, and claiming it as your own is a significant mistake and can lead to serious consequences, including getting caught for content theft. Instead, create original content from your own perspective. Only use copyright-free music in your videos. While it may be tempting to use popular, copyrighted songs, doing so can lead to your channel being shut down due to copyright violations. Stick to music that is licensed for use or created specifically for your content to avoid any legal issues and protect your channel. You can't outsmart YouTube or bypass its systems, no matter how smart your mom says you are. Always adhere to the platform's terms of service and community guidelines. YouTube's algorithms and policies are designed to ensure compliance, and attempting to deceive or trick the system will likely result in consequences. It's best to operate within the rules to build a sustainable and successful channel. Leverage AI tools, but don't rely on them too heavily. Overusing AI can result in generic content similar to that produced by others using similar tools. To produce high-quality, engaging content, complement AI with your own research and insights. Personal input, the human touch, and originality are key to standing out and providing real value to your audience. You need to listen to the entire YouTube automation course multiple times, especially if you're new to YouTube, to fully grasp the content. You will not grasp the contents of this course in one go. No one is born with the skills we need. We all learn and grow as we progress through life. Start your YouTube automation journey today, or risk regretting it later. YouTube's growth is skyrocketing, so don't settle for being just a content consumer. You have to become a content creator. That's where the real money is. Investing in new skills, like those covered in this YouTube Master Course, will greatly enhance your chances of success. Mastering these valuable skills will position you for success in the digital economy. May the force be with you, and trust me, if you've made it this far in the course, you've got what it takes to succeed.